Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has self-isolated himself after developing mild fever and sore throat. Kejriwal is also likely to undergo the COVID-19 test since he is showing these symptoms. An Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson said that the Chief Minister has not received any guest or official since Sunday afternoon. After coming under criticism for reserving hospital beds for Delhiites, State Health Minister Satyendra Jain said that neighbouring states say they have less cases, so keeping beds exclusively for Delhi residents should not be a problem. He also appeared to blame the centre for not suspending international flights in time. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said on Sunday that 10,000 beds under the Delhi government would be reserved for residents and beds under the central government can be used by all. Also, private hospitals covering special treatment will be open to all. Many places in India open the doors of public places like malls and places of religious significance today. Besides coming up with their lists of do's and don'ts for people, authorities have ensured that premises of religious places, restaurants and malls have been cleaned and provisions for adherence to social distancing and other protocols have been made. Addressing the press after the Shopian encounter that eliminated 4 terrorists, Major General A. Sen Gupta said that all 4 had been killed in a 4-hour operation which began at 3 a.m. today in Shopian. These terrorists were known to have caused excesses on civilians, killed non-local labourers, abducted policemen, harassed and caused injuries to truck drivers in 2019. This is the second encounter in Shopian in the last 24 hours. 9 terrorists have been killed in the 2 operations. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today took a jibe at Home Minister Amit Shah over his comment that India is the only country after the United States and Israel to have been able to protect its borders. He tweeted, "Everyone knows the reality of the border. Gandhi has time and again asked the government to clarify on the border standoff with China in Ladakh." Gandhi's comments come 2 days after India and China held high-level talks to resolve the border issues near eastern Ladakh. A low-intensity earthquake of magnitude 2.1 struck near Delhi today as mild tremors were felt in the national capital. The epicenter of the earthquake was near Gurugram in Haryana. The earthquake struck at 1 p.m. at a depth of 18 kilometers. Since April, Delhi and nearby areas have recorded more than 14 earthquakes of low and medium intensity. New Zealand has no active COVID-19 cases after the country's final patient was given the all-clear and released from isolation, health authorities said today. The Health Department director said that having no active cases for the first time since February 28th is certainly a significant mark in our journey, but ongoing vigilance against COVID-19 will continue to be essential.